got so much junk everywhere. Oh my god, why do I have so much junk everywhere? Oh my god! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina. Today's video was completely unplanned. I knew the box was coming, but it was supposed to arrive tomorrow. So when I got home from work today, I washed my face, I did a face mask, I washed my hair. As soon as I got done, actually, while I was in the middle of doing my face mask, I got a knock on the door and my package arrived. And it just wasn't any package. It was my very first ever StichFix package. So I wanted to sit down and go ahead and open this box up because I'm pretty sure 3 days after you get the box, you're supposed to send the items you don't want back or they charge you for them, and I don't know how much is in this box and I can't risk it. So if you don't know what StichFix is a clothing subscription box. Now this is different in the sense that it's not the same time that you can get these. You can schedule your fixes for every month, every 3 months, or twice a year, I think is the way they have it set up. I have mine currently on every month, but I'll probably change it every 3 months because I honestly don't need that much clothing. I have a uniform that I wear for work and I don't wear cute clothes often. I'm literally in Star Wars pajama pants right now. Please don't judge me. It costs $20 a month initially for your styling fee. That $20 can then be applied to any items you get in the box that you end up wanting to keep. I believe they send up to 5 items every month. That could be from accessories to clothing. And before you ever get your first stitch, they do have a quiz that you end up taking. Basically, it's pretty rudimentary as far as like what they ask for. They ask for your height, your, wingspan, your arm length. They ask for general style questions, trying to gauge what your style is. Generally, my style is black clothing and comfort. I am very much so a jean t-shirts kind of girl. I live for simplicity. I like to be comfortable 99.9% of the time. They also ask you to pin your Pinterest board and your Instagram handle on there, I guess so they can see also generally how you dress. As far as other general things about me, I am pretty much average height. I'm 5'7". I'm average build. I do have a little bit more weight on my lower half than on my upper half. For the most part, I'm close to even as far as measurements, but I am a little bit more pear-shaped than hourglass shaped. Hopefully whatever they put in my fix this month is good, but you never know. This is my first one, so it could be a gamble. So I guess we're just going to, jump into it now. Alright, so let's see. So it looks like it comes in just like that. So I see right on top it has the return shipping package. It has this guy in it and it says, your stylist thought these would look great on you. I'm assuming that in here it shows you what's in this pack, so I'm not gonna open this guy quite yet. Now it looks like we got what everyone seems to call the burrito. So it looks like I have lots of color, but this color, you guys know I live for this color, so I'm excited about whatever that is. I did tell my stylist that I have blue eyes and blue tends to look really good on me, so I do see that there's a couple blue items in here, and there's a pair of jeans, which I'm always excited and nervous about. And then I have this little burrito. What is this? Is this a purse? Let's do this one first. I want to see what this is. So let's unwrap this guy. Oh wait. This is cute. Oh my god, I like this. So it looks like it's just a little crossbody. This is adorable. This is actually a purse style that I really like. What is this? It's the Amy envelope crossbody from Street Level. Never heard of that brand before. Has a nice little magnetic button on the front and then 2 enclosures, and it has dividers inside. Ooh, this fancy. Please don't be too expensive because I kind of want to keep you. So we're off to a good start, so I guess now we're just gonna break into this burrito, and I'm really excited about everything. I don't know. I'm questioning this now. Okay, so it looks like this. Oh, it's a tank top. I was expecting this to have sleeves. This is a color that I think will look really good with my eye color and my skin color, but I don't know how I feel about it quite yet. It looks a little professional. It looks like something you would wear business casually, and I don't do business casual. But we'll see. Maybe it looks really good. It does have the nice jersey knit back, so the back is really soft. The front is really smooth and shiny, and the color is gorgeous. Okay, so now that I've tried this on, I feel like my first impressions of it, pulling it out of the burrito, are accurate. I really feel like it's not my style. I think the color is pretty, but as far as the cut of it and just the general feel of what I feel like this kind of tank top would be worn for. It doesn't feel cohesive with what I do and how my life is. So while I do like this, and while this is definitely something I would never pick for myself, I don't think it's anything that I would keep. So this is definitely going to be a pass. So the next item in my burrito, this guy right on top, and it's very floral and it has scrunchy material. I don't know what this is. I hope it's a dress, but part of me also hopes it's not a dress because I don't like scrunchy material, but it's a dress. Oh, okay, it's a dress. Or is this a romper? Yo, hold up. Yo, this is a romper. I have a really long torso. Rompers always give me crotch problems. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? You know, like it's... Let's go for another outfit change. Okay, well, let's ignore the fact that I'm wearing the wrong bra for this. I don't know how I feel about this, you guys. It's actually fitting me nice in the crotchal region, but this scrunchy material always makes me feel like I'm being held in like a weird vegetable in those little baskets. You know what I'm talking about? Where like when you buy Asian pears and they're in the little baskets, that's what I feel like right now. But I just don't feel like it really does anything for my body shape. I do like the fact that this is something that I wouldn't have picked out on my own ever, and I'm kind of glad they threw it in because it does fit me down here. But I don't know. What do you guys think? So again, my first impression on this is, again, I'm sorry I'm wearing the wrong bra for this. I just don't like, this scrunchy material just makes me so uncomfortable and I don't like it, but I don't know. So then I have 2 items left in my burrito, and I think I'm gonna try these 2 on together because I can tell this is a shirt and some pair of pants. What is this first item? Now this is in a color... Oh, this is soft. Ooh, what is this material? So this is a just long sleeve batwing maroon squishy comfy top. Oh my god, I don't know what this material is. This is by Jolie and I'm into this. And I have these jeans. These are by Liverpool, Los Angeles. These are the high-rise ankle. Kudos to them because I said I really wanted high-waisted and I was looking for a good pair of high-waisted jeans. These are in a size 8. They do look like they're gonna be a really nice high-rise. They're in a dark wash, which I like, and these are probably expensive as hell. I'm gonna go put them on now. Oh my god, you guys, I'm in love right now. Look at these jeans. This is the high rise that I've been looking for, and they actually fit better than any high-waisted jeans I've ever tried on before. Like, look at it. These are probably $100 jeans, and this shirt, I love a good batwing. Love it. Again, not wearing the right bra. I apologize, but this is like comfy, cozy perfection. I love this. I actually like the idea of wearing this and tucking it in with a brown belt and like little brown booties. So I do have a note from my stylist. Her name is Misty. So she said, "Hello, Christina, and welcome to the StichFix family. Misty, you did a great job. Thank you. Thank you, thank you." So then this tells you all of the prices. So where are the jeans at? So the cost of the jeans is actually less than I thought it was. They are $78. The shirt that I like is $36. And the purse that I like is $44. Why is that purse more than this shirt? Okay, I'm sorry, I like you, but you gotta go back. You can't stay with me. So basically, if you keep anything from the box, the original $20 that you pay for your styling fee will come off. So these jeans being $78, I'll really only pay another additional $58 because I could just apply the styling fee to them. Now, the cool thing about StichFix is you do get a discount if you end up keeping everything. So if you buy everything, you get 25% off, which is a $61 savings in case of my box. But yeah, if I was to end up getting everything in this box, it would be $163, and if I had bought the 3 that I want, it's going to be about $130. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to keep this shirt and the jeans. I think that's what I'm going to do, but definitely let me know down below what you guys think. But I think as of right now, I think that's where I'm at. All right, guys, so that is my entire first unboxing of my very first StichFix, and I'm actually very, very happy right now. This is a really great box. I'm definitely going to keep it and see what my next box is. If you guys like these videos, please just let me know down below. Definitely leave your feedback for what you think I should keep, what you think I should send back. And if you do like seeing these videos, definitely let me know because I'm gonna get at least a couple more months of this box because I'm trying to build up a better wardrobe. So guys, this is the whole video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're not yet, seriously, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern. And hopefully that means I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!